We do a lot of shaft work, a lot of housings. We have a coating facility to put on the shafts to make them last longer for companies. We also have a weld shop, very nice for like repair work. There's two main work centers I work on here. That would be this lovely Haas UMC recently, and we call it the SMEC. It's a live tool lathe that we do a lot of shaft work on. So I'll get it fired up, and if I have something from the previous day that I was working on, I just start working on that. If not, I talk to my boss. He gives me a job to do, and I just start getting it ready to get going. Hi, I'm Anthony Cercone. I'm here at HFW Industries, right in front of the UMC 750. My job here is I'm a CNC machinist and programmer.